doorstep there, aren't they? You know, it's just so far. I thought I'd come in the back today. So let's see the swans. There's no ends. There's all sorts in here. Different kinds of ducks. See the swans? Yeah. Say hello to the swans. Made for life, these. Once these two got together, that was it. Hello. Hello. Oh, look at you two. Aren't you gorgeous? Look at you. Wow. You're fantastic. Look at you. Man. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. That is fantastic. Oh, I must get a better shot. Let me just hello. Hello. Oh yeah. Would you like to say hello? Would you? Would you? Say hello. You'll be on YouTube, mind. You're showing off that beautiful. Oh, look at you. Yeah, that's the female, this is the male. I know. I won't go near her. Don't worry. Look how beautiful she is. Look at her. Look at that. My. That is incredible. When the sun shines on them. When the sun shines on them, when they're on this angle here, it shines through the feathers.
Right through.
They look like angels. Yeah. They look like. Are these angels? These two?
Sorry?
Are these angels?
What do you mean angels?
Well, they look like angels. They've got wings of angels.
Yeah, swans, yeah.
Oh,
They nest here every year.
Do you know their names? Have they got a name?
I don't know. I don't think anybody's ever named them.
No. They know their own names anyway.
I'm sure they're pretty sure.
See, he knows her from any swan that comes in here.
You can,
Oh, he knows. They're mates for life, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Do you have a good Christmas? Hanukkah?
I'm not a great Christmas person.
Did you not put the Hanukkah light up?
No.
No. You never did that? Oh, I had a great Christmas.
Yeah, I did, right.
Yeah. What do you think this new year will bring? You know, I think to myself, I'll make it what I want it to be.
Well, that's
yes.
it.
We create our own paradise. Look at where we are today.
My problem is I've got some inherent health problems.
Oh, what?
Which affected me all the time.
Oh, right.
I don't know whether I wake up in the morning or not.
Oh, is it that bad?
Yeah, worse than that. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm taking a video, so if it's anything private, you're not on. You cannot see it. It'll go on YouTube.
It doesn't worry me too much.
Are you all right? You're not camera shy, are you not? No. Well, if you get on this, you'll be famous, you know. Is this your beautiful wife?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And she looks after you while you're poorly.
She tries to.
Oh, she does. She looks after you. I can see she loves you. I can see it. I can see it in her eyes. She loves you.
At the moment it's a 50-50 thing.
Yeah, man. How long you been together?
Oh, we've known each other about 55 years.
55 years?
We've been married coming up to 52.
Wow. Yeah, man.
Give me the OBE or the MBE or something like that.
I was saying, just like these here, these two here, They've been together once they got married, these two. They've been married ever since. Just like you two. Yeah, man.
I didn't know it was going to be this long, mind you.
May it continue. May it continue.
Yeah, well, you never know what life has in store.
Nobody wants to lose their person that they love. Oh, no. No.
What?
No one wants to lose the person that they love. I lost my mother Christmas time. And I was so sad.
Yeah.
You know, it's...
No fun.
But life goes... life goes on. Anyhow, these ducks are gorgeous, aren't they? Have you noticed when the sun shines on the head here?
How beautiful.
They change colour.
Yeah.
It's from green,
Yeah.
blue,
Green and blue.
purple. Oh, gorgeous.
Well, normally they turn green. They're the males,
Yes,
and they turn green coming into breeding season.
that's right. And the female's got a bit of blue on the back. You see?
Yeah.
Yes, but she's mainly brown, isn't she?
You see, this one's a female.
Yes, she's,
The grey white one now with the green head. The green heads are all the males.
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
They fight like hell
They do they?
when the breeding season comes in. Oh,
So they're not. These are not faithful like the swans.
you
They'll
will
be-
find when the breeding season starts, you get up to 5 or 6 males chasing one female.
Oh my.
Land on her, sink her in the water, almost drown her.
Rape.
Rape, absolute
That's
rape.
disgraceful.
Absolute rape.
Yeah, is that the way you act? Use.
That's
Use.
why we don't swim very well.
Oh, you should be like the swans. Oh yes. They should be faithful.
Males and females there,
Aye.
and they're out the water here on the bank.
Oh, they're on the water.
You see the brown ones?
Yes.
That's a
Oh,
female.
look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
They're hungry, eh?
And they're gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Do you come down often?
Oh, now and then we like to ride down here.
Oh, right. I see you give them good stuff as well.
Oh, yeah.
You don't give them
This is
rubbish.
whole wheat bread.
Oh, well done.
Well, that's seed bread, that, which is
That's
good.
seed bread,
This
of course
seed
it is.
bread, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you love
And
them.
we bring bread.
You will love them, don't you?
Oh,
you're not going.
come down
You're not
and
going to
see
feed them. May I say the word shit? You will not feed them that. No.
You get people come down with the ducks feeding white bread.
Oh,
And it's bad for them.
it's bad for them. Oh yes.
And we feed the little birds. We've just had stacks of little birds around
Yeah,
us,
the
haven't
gate
we?
has been feeding up there.
Yeah.
Have you? Oh,
There's all sorts.
it's wonderful. What kind of birds have you seen?
Chaffinch.
You've seen a
ordinary
chaffinch?
Blue tits,
Robin seen Robin. Blue
Great
tits,
red tits, chaffies,
grey tits,
bullfinch,
a bullfinch,
blackbirds up there.
blackbirds, thrush.
Haven't seen a thrush this
You haven't
morning.
seen a thrush this
haven't
morning.
seen a thrush, no.
Hey, look at them. They're having fun.
Yeah,
That's cute.
there's just 3 moorhens we just see. They've gone back in the water.
Oh, the moorhens. Yeah, I saw the moorhens when I came up.
There. I've got nothing left, you lot.
You
Oh.
wouldn't have enough to-
Well, you know, these have just said thank you very much. You've been graced with their blessing. Oh, yes.
Keeps them going.
Oh, yes. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, that's a good bird.
Well, I'm sorry that you're on camera. I do apologise, but you know, you've got beautiful faces.
Well, that's it, come with me.
And you'll be on YouTube. But it's a nature thing I'm doing here.
Yeah.
It's just happens that you're part of it. But you know,
Walk down the bottom of your sheet.
your husband gave some wonderful knowledge there about the ducks, didn't he? He knows a lot about the ducks.
He knows a lot about nothing.
And look, and keep looking after him.
And what about me?
Oh yes, he looks after you. I can tell.
He looks after me. Oh,
Oh, of course.
your word for it.
Oh no, sweetheart.
See ya.
Oh, see you soon. Me bike's down there anyway. I've got to come down there. Aye. Wasn't that lovely? Wasn't that lovely? Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. So pleased to see you today. And your husband's not he's not bothered about this, is he? Because he knows I'm not going to. You know. I know. You're beautiful. Look at that. I'm trying to catch the sun. Let me see if I can catch it. Because it's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. I know. I know. You're looking at yourself, aren't you? There. Look at you. You're beautiful. Them ducks are laughing at you. You're not bothered, are you? You don't give a fuck. No. Thanks for giving us a beautiful picture for YouTube. Okay. It'll be going on YouTube. Oh, yes. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to turn it off now. And I'm going home. Oh, look at it. I'll let the ducks have the last year.